good morning children. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is data handling chapter. Okay, the chapter number 4, that is practical geometry, that we are going to learn in our next class. Okay, because that is a construction chapter actually. So today we are going to learn the new chapter, that is data handling. So let us see what is data. First of all, we shall try to understand the meaning of what data. Data means what? Suppose I have given you some assignment, some project work. Okay, just go and collect how many males and females are there in our column. Okay, so in that case, what you will do, you will go and you will go to that individual houses and you will collect the information. Suppose family A, you went to a house A. Okay, so you will ask how many males are there in your family. So you will write like this: A male, let us say 2, female what? 3, like this. Okay. Again, you went to house number B. Then you collect the information like this: male 12, then female, male 2, female 5. Like this, we have gathered some information. Now you see this information. Okay, what this information is in the form of what, numerals or not. Okay, that information that is in the form of numerals, that is in the form of numbers, is called what? Data. Are you getting? So here in this case, these are also what? Information. Okay, that informations you have collected with from that individual house in the form of what? Number. You are not writing in house A 2 males are there, in house A 3 males are there. You are not writing that informations like this in language. You have written that information in the form of what? Numerals, you see. Okay, so that information which is in the form of what? Numerals or numbers, that is called what? Data. Okay, now the meaning of data is information in the form of numerals. Correct? So that is called your what? Data. Now the question is, why these data are required in our day-to-day life? Okay, suppose census, you know already, means the counting of population of our country. Okay, so why government want this data for any particular thing? Okay, suppose to know the population of the country, what the government want to do? The government from that information, from that information, they will collect what they will know, that how many schools should be open for this population. Okay, then how many quantities of food is required for the what medical facilities are required for this population. So for collecting data, collection of data, some motive is there behind that one. Okay, suppose I have collected some informations regarding what? Last 3 years CBSE class 10 result of our school. Why we are collecting that information? Last 3 years result, what is the need? Okay, we'll come after collection of the data, we'll interpret data, and after interpretation of that data, we'll find a conclusion. Actually, what drawbacks are there, in which subject marks are less, okay, and what we can do for that upliftment of that subject. Behind the collection of data, some motive is there. Okay, so we'll interpret the data, and after that we'll give some conclusion. So that is about data. So that data, how we'll collect, we'll see in this chapter. So अभी तो data हमने collect कर चुका. So now what we have to do, we have to organize that data in a beautiful form. Okay, अभी हमको data को क्या करना है? What we have to do, that we have to organize the data. Okay, so that the people can understand very easily that data. So first of all, what we'll do, we'll collect the data. Okay, so that suppose These are the ages of some people, some children, 3 years, 1 years, 4 years, 6 years, 2 years, 8 years. These are some data I have collected, okay, randomly from a particular place about the ages of the children. Okay. Now these data are in what? Random manner. वो सब क्या कर organize करके नहीं रखा है that data. Okay. So that data is called what? Raw data. What? Raw data. This type of data are called what? Raw data. Okay. The first step in organizing the data. अभी तो data हमने collection कर लिया. Data we have collected, and that data we have to organize in a systematic way. Okay. The first raw data we will collect. Correct. And after that we will arrange this data either in increasing order or either in what? Decreasing order. Okay. So we will write down in increasing order. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Okay. So now you see this data I have written in which form? In increasing order. Okay. So now this raw data is called what? Array. This is called what? Array. Okay. So this the first what we will do? We will collect the data. Okay. So I have collected. So that data are called what? Raw data. And after collecting the data, we have to arrange this data either in increasing order or either in what? Decreasing order. So that data are called what? Array. Now suppose I have did one survey, okay, regarding their favorite subjects. So our student told that his favorite subject is arts, then maths, then science, English, maths, arts, English, maths, English, arts, science, arts, English, math, English, art, like this. These are the some datas. That's some what raw data I have collected regarding the what? Their favorite subject. Now I have to represent these data in a tabular form so that it looks beautiful and people can understand it very easily. Okay. So for that this table I have made. Okay. So here subject arts, maths, science, English, telemarks and number of students. So let us say how many students like arts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 students like what? Arts. Sorry, here 8 students like what? Arts. So here you have to write the telemark like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That things you already know. That is how to write the telemarks. Okay, now mathematics. So let us see mathematics. How many students like mathematics? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 students like what? Mathematics. So we will write like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then science. So let us see how many students like science. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 students like science. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 students like science. Now how many students like English? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think maths. Okay, finish. So like this, you can represent a what? Data in tabular form. Okay, is it clear to you? So now you see when data are very big data are there. Okay, so in that case, what we will do here? Very few data are there. So it is very easy to write in what? Tabular form like this. It is called what? Group ungrouped data. Okay, so now we'll see if the data are very large. So many data are there, thousands and thousands data are there. So in that case, how you will draw this table? So let us see in the next topic. So now you see if the data are very big. So many data are there. Okay, you see so many data here. Okay, so if you will make the table by using that what that we used in our earlier topic. It will be a very lengthy one. Okay. So if the datas are very big, so many datas are there, then what we will do? We will group the data. Okay. What we will do? We will group the data. You see here 0 to 10, 10 to 20. So in one group you see 10 students are coming. Correct? Okay. So here 10 students are included. In this group 10 students are included. So if you write one by one 10 times you have to write. Okay. But that datas I have compiled in one group. 10 students here, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay? Is it correct? Now, how you will see, this is called group frequency distribution table. Okay? Group frequency distribution table. Okay, so this table is called group frequency distribution table. Now you see here, how you will see the data. So here you see 0 to 9 only. So 0 to 9, how many datas are there? 0 to 9. How many datas are there? You will find out. So how many datas? 2 datas are there. It's like 0 to 9. This is one, and another one is what? So 0 to 9, how many data? 2 datas are there. So 0 to 10. So it is a continuous group frequency distribution table. So here you will see 0 to 9, then 10 to 19, then 20 to 29. 20 to, don't see this 30. Don't see this 10. Don't take this 10. 0 to 9 you see. Then 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59. You will get the data from here. Okay. 10 to 19. How many datas are there? 10. Then 20 to 29, 21. 30 to 40, 19. Not sorry, 40. 30 to 39, 19. 40 to 50, 40 to 50, it is 7. Okay. So 7, this telemark is wrong here. So 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And this is 19. Okay. So 5, 10, 15, 19. Okay, so total 90. So like this you can make a what? Group frequency distribution table. Okay. So now let us see 0 to 10. So this 0 to 10 is called what? Class interval. Okay. This is called what? Class interval. Okay. And this 0 is called what? Upper class limit. Sorry, lower class limit, lower class limit, and this 10 is called upper class limit. Okay, so this is one class interval, 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 and this is one class interval. Okay, so in that class interval, this 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, these are called what? Lower class limit, and this 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, this is called what? Upper class limit. Now the class size. How we find out the class size? Class size. Okay? Class size is upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus what? Lower limit. So how we find out the class size? Okay, so here I will write. So class size. Class size you can find out upper limit minus lower limit. So here in our case it is equal to, it is how much? 10 minus 0. n minus 0 is equal to 10, 20 minus 10, 10, 30 minus 20, 10, 40 minus 30, 10. So like this we can find out our class size. Okay. So now the next things we'll discuss in our next class. So this is a brief introduction of what data handling. Thank you.